Welcome back to the A-Level English Guide. Let me start with a very honest question. Have you ever finished a piece of creative writing, read it back, and thought, this should be suspenseful, so why does it feel flat? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And the good news is, the problem is almost never imagination. It's technique. In this video, we're focusing on Cambridge AS Level English Language Paper 2, Section A, the shorter writing task, specifically the opening of a story where you are asked to create drama and suspense, like the task titled The Message. This section is worth 15 marks, and it's one of the easiest places to gain or lose marks very quickly. What I'm going to do today is walk you through the most common mistakes students make in shorter writing, and show you exactly how to fix them. Not in theory, not vague advice, but with real examples that reflect what examiners actually see. Let's quickly remind ourselves what this task is asking for. You are writing the opening of a story, not the full plot, not an explanation of events. Your job is to hook the reader, build tension, and make them want to read on. Suspense comes from what you withhold, not what you explain. So let's start with the first and biggest mistake. The most common mistake is explaining instead of creating suspense. Students often tell the reader how to feel, instead of letting the moment do the work. For example, a weak opening might say, "I felt scared because I did not know what the message meant." This is clear, but it is not suspenseful. The emotion is handed directly to the reader, so there is no tension. Now here's the fix. Instead of explaining fear, show its effect. For example, my fingers hovered over the paper. I read the first word twice before my breath caught. Nothing dramatic has happened yet, but the reader senses something is wrong. That is suspense. The second major mistake is revealing the message too early. Many students think suspense means big information quickly. In reality, it's the opposite. A weak example looks like this. The message said someone was watching me. That kills suspense instantly. There is nowhere left to go. The fix is delay. Let the reader lean in. For example, the handwriting slanted sharply to the right. One sentence, no name, no explanation. We still don't know what the message says, but now we want to know. The third mistake is flat sentence rhythm. If every sentence is the same length and structure, tension disappears. Here's what that sounds like. I walked to the door. I picked up the paper. I felt nervous. I went inside. Nothing is technically wrong, but it feels mechanical. Now listen to the fix. I stepped onto the doorstep. The paper was waiting. I didn't bend down straight away. Short sentences slow time. Longer ones reflect thought. This control of rhythm is exactly what examiners reward. The fourth mistake is overwriting. Many students believe more description equals more marks. It doesn't. Suspense does not come from describing everything. It comes from selecting the right detail. If you describe the sky, the street, the door, the shoes, the wind, the silence, and the neighbour's garden, nothing stands out. Instead, choose one or two details and make them work hard. For example, the paper was damp at the edges, as if it had been waiting longer than I had. That single detail creates atmosphere without excess. The fifth and final mistake is openings that sound like explanations. A very common weak opening is, "I went to my front door and found a message on the ground." That sounds like a summary, not a story. The fix is to drop straight into the moment. For example, "It wasn't the paper that stopped me, it was the fact that my name was already written on it." That immediately raises questions. Who wrote it? How did they know? Why now? Before we finish, here's a quick checklist you can apply in the exam. Ask yourself, Am I delaying information instead of explaining it? Am I varying sentence length to control pace? Am I showing reactions before giving reasons? Does each paragraph increase tension rather than repeat it? If you can answer yes to those, your opening is doing its job. Remember this task is not about clever twists or dramatic events. It's about control. Controlled information, controlled detail, controlled pacing. In the next video, we will respond to a task on writing a news story. Stay tuned. If you found this walkthrough helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next part in the series. See you there.